first game, 3 points overall. How are you feeling about the result and also the team performance?
At first, grateful because you're playing your first game of the season or any season. You really want 3 points. Ugly or pretty, I mean 3 points is 3 points for this. But I mean, we played in patches in parts. We could have been a little bit better at so we could have moved the ball around some more. Again, you played away to rivals who is so near. I mean, they are going to be fighting, and they really they fought and they tried to win. But I thought, we were a little bit better, way better, but we should have converted a lot more goals. Careless and wasteful in front of goal. But as I said before, the youngsters, the butterflies are going to be there. So,
All right, fair enough. Devon Davis having a start off with a goal and assist so far. And what are the expectations on his shoulder? Here and a lot of talking on the pitch. What are the expectations on his shoulder now for what the role that he's going to play in the team this season?
I mean, we want to keep the game like these kids are. It's not easy to manage it, when it comes down to the psychological aspect of it. So expectations, you don't want to keep the game like you want to keep it realistic. So it is just managing him, game by game, allowing him to enjoy himself and playing to the team philosophy. I think once that is done, he'll be getting some of the results.
All right, good. Congratulations, yeah?
Yeah, that's all.